Alright guys, today I wanted to do a full unboxing review and setup on my new Soundfreak SoundSpot speakers. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending them out for review, so let's go ahead and take a look at them. These look cool. Right out the box, very nice. So here's the actual speaker. Very nice design. Looks like a nice finish on there. Has a nice light back here. All the buttons up top. What I do like, it also serves as a power bank, which we'll try out. It's got like your quick start guide, instructions in here. Nice long Type-C cable. We'll go ahead and open the second one as well. And then what we want to do is pair them both just to see how they both sound once you hook them up together. All right, so let's go ahead and actually turn them on. Got the power button up there. There we go. So we'll go ahead and, as you can see, the Bluetooth is blinking. So let's go ahead and actually hook it up. There it is, SoundSpot II. There it is connected. Very simple. So let's go ahead and actually just play some music. Then we'll go over some of the other features on here. So let's try this one. So you can obviously control it, the volume right from up here. Put it up, put it down. That's cool. So we'll go ahead and actually turn on the light, see how that works. It is on. I'll put it in a much darker spot so you can see it, but as you can see, it does turn on, which I thought is very cool feature right there. I really like the bass on there. Let me put it up one more time. As you can see, very good sound quality. So I did put it all the way up on both, and that was actually pretty loud considering the size of the speaker. And like I said, as you can see, the bass hit hard as well. So now let's actually pair them both up together and see how they both sound. All right, so I got them hooked up already. All you had to do was just make sure they're both on, make sure they're both set to Bluetooth without pairing them to anything. On one of the units, hold down that play button, and then it'll find the other one and pair to it automatically. It took about 30 seconds. Check this out. Now that's freaking cool. So you can see they can both get really loud. And I love that you can do that, so I can put them on two sides of, of a party, of just your house, just depending on what you like. So I do like that you can put at least two speakers hooked up together so you get double the sound on there. And then the other feature that I do want to show on here is it does have built-in sounds. Check this out. Probably the one I would use, like maybe like some white noise, things like that. This one right here, some rain sound. And you can just set both of them to the same thing if you wanted a little louder in there. So as you can see, it's got quite a bit of built-in sound to it, which I thought was really neat. You can actually try out the power bank right here. So check this out. So like I said, it's got a power bank right here, and then right here, as you can see, you can plug in like your USB, and it also does have an auxiliary as well. But the part that I did want to show was the power bank right here. And this is separate from where you would charge it. You would charge it right back here. So let's actually hook up our iPad to it and see how it works. All right, so we'll go ahead and use our Type-C cable right here. And then we'll make sure this is on. And then we'll plug it into our iPad. And there it is. Very, very cool. So this is definitely a cool feature if you're at a party and you don't want your phone to die if it's playing the music. Just plug it into the actual speaker itself and then you'll be good to go. So if you guys are looking for some cool new portable speakers, definitely look into these. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.